Here at Fox Lumber, we're all about quality, getting the lumber you need for an amazing price guaranteed. Today's topic is cedar. Come along and see what we have in store for you.
I'm Dawn from Fox Lumber Sales, and today I'm at our Spokane Valley, Washington facility. We are located just off the I-90, very easy to get to, in the Spokane Valley Industrial Park. And look at these beautiful pieces of wood we have on hand for sale right now. What we've done is taken a 2x6 cedar and resawn it into these beautiful 1x6 boards. And the nice thing about cedar is not only is the color beautiful, but you can see it has one very beautiful characteristic. Its inherent natural chemicals resist decay, moisture, and insect infestation all on its own. There's no need to treat a cedar board. These would make beautiful fence posts, great patio furniture. Perhaps you want to use it as a garden bed, that sort of thing. Please call Clinton at 406-375-4274 for current availability and pricing.